So how to control on iPhone from another? You can see if I press on this icon, then you can see control menu is automatically open to another iPhone. So how I do it? For that, first thing you have to enable your airdrop and internet at the same time, and then from second iPhone open your setting and then go to accessibility, and under accessibility you can see the control nearby device. Press on control nearby device, then control nearby device. I already found my phone. You can see you can easily control this phone from this phone. If you want to add another option, then you can see this option is available. Siri, hey Siri, how are you today?
Not too shabby. Thanks for asking.
Okay, so that's it. This is how you can easily control your iPhone from another iPhone. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.